Merry Christmas, everybody. Snowball and I are in the park, walking in the park. He doesn't want to stay with me. He wants to run across the street, but he can't do it because let me show you. Come on. Let me show you where we are. See the tree? See the tree? Let's back up. See the tree? Oh, it's massive. We're in the park in Dillon, South Carolina. Christmas night. Let me see if I can back up some more. It is beautiful. And see the huge ornaments, guys. There we go. There we go. And there's the star on the top. Oh, it's so pretty in the park. And Snowball and I have it to ourselves. And he wants to take it over. Come on, let's show them the fountain. There are other lights here. See? They have lights all around the park. And they have a fountain. There it is. I almost fell. I like to sit on the fountain. See, I can sit right here. Snowball likes to look in the fountain. He's undecided if he wants to drink. But this is the perfect seat in the park. Because from here, I can see the tree. I hope you're enjoying your Christmas. I hope it's merry. There you go. And I hope you got in a lot of laughter and fun today. I hope you did. I did. I had family over, my brother-in-law, my sister-in-law, a friend and her grandson came. It's just been a beautiful day. So I thought I would pop on. Snowball and I left the farm and we thought we would ride around and see the Christmas lights. Have a blessed evening, guys. Keep on enjoying your Christmas. This is Linda the Old Bird.